The Asus Expert Center D5 small form factor desktop PC is an excellent choice for business users seeking a compact, powerful, and secure desktop solution. Running on Windows 11 Pro, it is designed to meet professional needs with its advanced features and security. Powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i7 13700 processor with 16 cores and a maximum turbo frequency of up to 5.2 GHz, along with the Intel B760 chipset, this desktop delivers outstanding performance for multitasking and demanding applications. The 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD ensures fast storage access, while the 16GB DDR for RAM, expandable up to 64 GB, provides ample memory for efficient workflow management. Its small form factor design, measuring just 9L in size and weighing 11.02 pounds, makes it a compact and space-saving solution ideal for office environments. The desktop also includes TPM 2.0 security chip and a Kensington security slot, ensuring secure data encryption and physical security. Connectivity is seamless with dual-band Wi-Fi 6, 802.11 AX and Bluetooth 5.3, providing fast and reliable wireless connections. The front I/O panel offers a variety of ports for easy access, including one headphone jack, one 3.5mm combo audio jack, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, a 2-in-1 card reader, SDMMC, and a smart card reader. The Asus Expert Center D5 small form factor desktop PC combines powerful performance, advanced security, and a compact design, making it an ideal choice for business users who need a reliable and efficient desktop solution.